Flat Earth supporters usually explain day and night cycles by using this model, with the sun shining light only into a spot, and not the entire surface. But how can it be a spot? Many claim it happens due to atmospheric refraction, but could that actually bend it enough to make it look like this? I will verify that with computer-aided simulations for the flat Earth model. Atmospheric refraction occurs because air is denser near the surface than it is at higher altitudes, so refraction will cause it to bend downwards. To qualitatively illustrate this, we slice the atmosphere into 4 parts, each with a higher index of refraction, so the induced light bending looks like this. Evidently, the angles are exaggerated here just to guide the eye. For a quantitative analysis, I've written a computer code that takes a refractive index gradient from the sun to the ground and plots the bending induced due to refraction. This is how the sunlight is simulated if there was no air. If we now consider the atmosphere with a value for n ground equals 1.0003, this is what we see. You might say there is no bending at all. Well, that's because the variation in the refractive index is minute. If we zoom out, we can easily see the bending, but on a much larger length scale than that of the flat Earth. Let's now add humidity into the simulation. Better yet, to aid the flat Earth model, let's assume the atmosphere at ground level is made of water, so n ground equals 1.33. Now the bending is clearly seen, but still not enough to form the spot. The situation is similar for the other crazy cases, such as glass or diamond at ground level. As you can see, the bending is more noticeable, but still not enough to form the spot. For the model to hold, n ground turns out to be roughly 4.5. To be honest, I don't even know of any material with such a high refractive index for visible light. Furthermore, even if it did work, as stated in a previous video, this would be in complete disagreement with the sunrise and sunset model, as it would cause the sun to appear higher in the sky and not lower as many believe. So atmospheric refraction cannot make the sun shine into a spot on the flat Earth. If you know any other explanation for this phenomenon, please let me know in the comment section.